1968 Chevy Corvette C3 exterior overview. I could tell that the vehicle has been repainted before. I would say it was professional grade at some point. Looks like an older restoration. If you use the lighting and the fluorescent lights in the background, you could see when I'm moving the texture of the paint. It has some dry spray. That's why you have that like pimply look to it. And then typical on these vehicles, it does have the stress cracks right by the corners, but you're not gonna be able to avoid that on this era of Corvette. Once again, using the fluorescent light as I'm moving, you can see the stress cracks, which is typical. This Corvette has some chin spoiler area damage where it's cracked through. Once again, not uncommon for this era of Corvette. There's no heavy runs, there's no sags, no burn through. Paint is all even all the way through. Definitely a professional restoration at some point. Looks a little bit older. The chrome is all in good condition. The bumperettes are secure. The top, so this Corvette has the hard top and a soft top. The hard top is a very nice option. It gives the car almost a completely different look. There are a bit of skid marks across the vinyl, but that's the greatest imperfection I could find. This has a non-factory replacement windshield at some point. I did check the windshield wipers. The closeout panel does work. The door on this side, the alignment is off. It is a little bit low, sticks out from the body, but both doors do open and close smoothly. No dragging, and the lock cylinders do work. Both the B pillar and A pillars are solid in this vehicle. There's sometimes problems with the bird cage. Looks like somebody has done some repair in this area before. I cannot pull the trim in order to get in there to see if there is corrosion, but it looks like somebody has tended to it at one point. The fenders are in good condition. There is one spot in here that you could see that has been repaired before, which once again looks like they've done a good job. They reinforced it properly and professional grade. With the engine on this 68 Corvette C3, fired up real nice, idled great, came off choke when I pushed on the accelerator. The radiator fins are in good condition. The fan does not impact the shroud anywhere. Belts do not squeak. Sounds great. I do not see any excess fluid overflow damage to the intake. The valve covers appear in good condition. I don't see any leaks or any trickle marks for any leaks. The master cylinder, once again, no leaks, no damage below. It's all good. The only thing I did find is that with this vehicle, the car has very low coolant and the radiator cap is pretty dry. So as you can see there, it looks like a newer cap. So I couldn't tell if there was any type of corrosion or so, but inside the reservoir, hard to see in this video, very low coolant. So I'm going to ask the seller to put some coolant in it before we go on the test drive. Other than that, the oil level is correct and clean. The air filter is clean. Looks like a car that somebody really took care of. The trim panels are all intact. Weather strips are all intact and in good condition. The window rolls up and down, no problem. A little bit of chips on the glass here, but for the age of the vehicle, it's to be expected. So the window goes up and down. The lock, unlock knob, as you can hear, works. The release handle works. The interior, the upper dash pad is in very good condition. Steering wheel has slight delamination, no cracks. Carpeting is good, just minor stains, as you can see. No tears, no uneven wearing. The seat itself, the seat cover is torn through. The seat frame is worn. Seat belts are present, do work. The seat does go forward and back as expected. It does lean forward. Let me slide this. The interior, you can see the deterioration of the seat foam over the years. In the back, some of the trim is broken from where the battery goes, but the battery is clean, no corrosion. Soft top is present. It's shown in the videos and pictures to be in good shape. The passenger seat is in very good shape. The center console, I went through the vents. They do move forward to back. The switch moves for the blower control, and the knobs for the airflow, hot and cold, do work. We will check the gauges on the test drive. Headliner, well, it's a preset headliner, so it's obviously going to be in place, but it's in good shape. The mirror has a little delamination, which is typical on classic cars. Weather strips are good, so overall, very nice.